Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Berberine versus L-Carnitine full comparison. Start by noting your goals and current medications before trying any supplement. I'll walk you through how each works, typical benefits, and common side effects in clear terms. We will compare effectiveness for blood sugar, weight support, and exercise performance, and discuss safety considerations so you can make a practical choice for your routine. Berberine and L-Carnitine operate through very different pathways, and that matters for outcomes. Berberine tends to act on AMP and glucose handling, while L-Carnitine helps shuttle fats into mitochondria for fuel. I'll explain what those mechanisms mean for things like insulin sensitivity, fat oxidation, and energy during workouts. Understanding the science helps you choose the supplement that matches your personal goals and activity level. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear supplement breakdowns. Quick recommendation: I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that keep portions tidy and prevent spills in bags, which pairs nicely with planning supplements and meals. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set that fits your routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Both supplements offer potential benefits, but also carry risks you should know. Berberine often helps with blood sugar and lipids, but can cause digestive upset and interact with drugs. L-Carnitine can support endurance and fat use, but may cause mild side effects like a fishy smell or gastrointestinal issues. I'll outline typical dosing ranges, when results show up, and who should avoid each supplement to keep you safe.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.